Hi friends, I am so happy that you are here. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm bringing you a relaxing fall nighttime cleaning routine. This is my typical routine unless I am crazy busy, but this is going to be a very relaxing video including relaxing music and of course cleaning motivation. I'm even including a mini shopping haul, so stay tuned for that. But I appreciate that you stopped by today. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these kinds of videos. Consider subscribing if you're new. I do all kinds of videos ranging from cleaning to decor to shop with me's to just in general lifestyle videos. So I hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you. Let's begin. I always start in my kitchen, cleaning up any leftover dinner mess, wiping the counters down. I'll also be vacuuming before I move on to my family room. But I love cleaning once everyone is in bed. That way I have the house to myself and nobody is making a mess behind me. My daughter came home with an energy-saving project from school. She's got all kinds of light bulbs and night lights that conserve energy. She's excited to try out. So I'm just gonna clean this up and then I will share with you that mini shopping haul. So before I clear off the table, I wanted to share with you guys a little mini shopping haul from Costco and Sam's Club. I picked up just a few items, but they are definitely worth mentioning. I'll start with the couple items I got from Costco. This cereal by Quaker. It's called Simply Granola Oats, Honey, Raisins, and Almonds. And guys, this is the most delicious cereal. So when I saw it at Costco, I absolutely bought it. And better yet, it comes with 2 bags, and these are really large bags, and for both of these bags it was under $6, and that is an awesome buy. So if you have a Costco membership, I recommend you drive up there and see if they have these in stock, because even to buy just 1 bag of granola, you know, you definitely pay $6 or more, especially for a bag this size. So I actually picked up 2 of these, so right now I have 4 bags because again, it's so delicious. And then the other item that I'm really excited about, they have a lot of their Christmas stuff out and even some Christmas gift things out. And I saw these hot chocolate bombs and I could not resist these. If you're not familiar with what these are, so they're basically a ball of chocolate that is filled with, like this one's filled with marshmallows and hot cocoa, or cocoa. And you put them in your mug and pour, you know, boiling liquid over it, like boiling hot water or milk, and you know, it becomes this delicious cup of hot chocolate. So what's nice about it, this set, is each of these rows, so it has 4 rows, but you can gift each of these rows if you wanted to, so you don't have to like gift the whole entire box. So I thought this would make perfect gift for teachers or stocking stuffers, that kind of thing. So I really could not pass that up. And then finally from Sam's Club, I came across this sports bra that I just could not resist. How adorable is the print on this? And then the back is so cute with the crisscross straps. And this was only $10. I thought that was a steal. And it's really, really comfortable. I already tried it on. And then finally, I'm actually wearing these slippers, and I, again, could not resist these. I love the leopard print on them, and they are so, so soft. And they had solid colors as well, but again, for Christmas, these would make a really nice gift. I can't believe I'm talking about Christmas, but as we all know, it will be here before we know it, so it is never too early to shop. So I'm going to move on to dishes. I'm just filling the dishwasher, which is already partially full from earlier today. I'm gonna start that, and then I'll move on to wiping down my countertops. And I love using the Method brand It's the Method brand granite cleaner, and it's in the orchard scent. I love this cleaner. I know I've talked about this one several times, but I would love to know, what is your favorite area in your house to clean? I would have to say, for me, it would have to be the kitchen, and I think it's because this is the room that I feel gets the most traffic and becomes the messiest. So it's like instant gratification when I clean this room, because you know, it goes from being really messy to really clean in a short amount of time. Once I finish with the sink, I'm gonna move on to cleaning those countertops, but I am so in love with fall. It's one of my favorite seasons. I just love the coziness it brings, and I've got candles going, and it just smells like cinnamon and pumpkin all at the same time, and it just gives me so many warm and cozy feelings while I'm cleaning. So with that being said, I'd love to know what your favorite season is. Leave a comment down below.
Morning, evening, and midnight, such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
Now that I've wiped the countertops, I'm gonna wipe down my stainless steel appliances, and I'm not using stainless steel cleaner this time because I used it the last time and they really didn't need it. But I like to do this every night just to minimize the fingerprints, which if you have stainless steel, then you know what a struggle it can be. So once I'm finished with this, I'm gonna move on to my family room.
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you,
Of course, I have to keep the candy jars full this time of year. So I am going to move on to wiping down my nook table before moving on to my family room. And I always use the Method brand Wood for Good cleaner. It has this very nice almond scent to it. I talk about this probably in every cleaning video I do, but I love this product, so I always like to mention it.
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say, you're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm
Is anyone else obsessed with throw blankets the way that I am? Whenever I'm in the store and see one I like, I'm always so tempted to buy it in spite of the fact that I have so many of them. But any throws that I don't want on display, I like to store in baskets that I have throughout my house. So if you see me walking out of the room with one of them, then that is where it's going. Or it's going to my kids' room if it's one of their blankets. But I would love to hear from you if you too have an obsession with throws.
I know I'm truly alive. I wanna save every moment now. Hold tight, my love, we got this one right. And if they ask us where we've been hiding, we'll just shake our heads.
At the end of the evening, I always like to put away any shoes that are still out. I have a hanging shoe shelf in our utility closet, which is so handy for putting our shoes away right as we walk in through the door, but of course sometimes we get lazy. So it's really convenient, and it houses our day-to-day shoes. Of course, not all of our shoes, but at least the ones that we use on a daily basis. So now I'm moving on to laundry, and this is something that I am still striving to make a part of my daily nighttime routine. It just is such a good feeling to know that the clothes are put away, and when I wake up the next day, I don't have that hanging over my head.
The fact that I'm upset, the fact that I'm obsessed with you, So when no one is listening, I confess, I let you in on everything, even the fact that I'm obsessed with you. And when no one is listening.
If you missed my last video, I will have it linked above if you'd like to check it out. In that video, I talk about how we added the bookcases that you see in the family room, and I am just so pleased with the transformation that it has made to this room. Now, it is still a bit of a work in progress. I still need to finish decorating them, and we're also going to be adding some cupboard doors to the bottom half. So I'm really excited to continue with this project, but I'm just even more excited about what a transformation it has made to this room, and I'm really loving it. So I will have that video linked up above if you would like to check it out. So for the final chore of the evening, I am going to finish vacuuming my kitchen, and that will be it.
Then I'll be at your door, when I'll be coming home. I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high whenever we're apart. It takes me through the night when I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes. When I'll be coming home.
That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I hope you enjoyed this and found it relaxing. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you. But I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you in my next one. Take care.
Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night when I look deep into your